You see more on there, buddy? On the side? Oh, good job of finding that. Now don't get too close, it'll spray you. It's alright. Get on in there. Aim down. Well, you got to hit the air conditioner. There you go. Are you hitting the air conditioner? Okay. You getting all the little white pieces out of it? Okay. What do you think, Mom? He actually is doing a good job. I did majority of it, but he's gotten a lot of pieces that I missed. The water getting you?
Did it get you?
Yeah, that backside's easier for him to get in. I can't get back there and get my head around there.
Do you want me to save this salt or throw it away?
It works in the kids' rooms. So if you want to wipe it off.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, okay, good job, buddy. Good job. What do you think? You do a good job?
Yeah.
You want to pick up that stick right there by the window and put it in the back? It's behind you, on the ground. The stick right there.
Yeah, that white stick.
Yeah, you want to put that in the pile? I don't know how it got there.
Put it back there on our brush pile. Way back in the backyard. Careful. There you go. Good job, buddy.
Not there.